My name is Steve from ASR Appliances. We're going to test out V-Zug's new wet clean function. They tell me you can wash your suits in it and won't damage the suit at all. As you can see, this is a Paul Smith suit covered in mould. It's one of mine, so if I kill it, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to stick it in the washing machine. Here is the V-Zug Adora SLQ washing machine. In with the suit. I've already preloaded the detergent. Simple job now of hitting wet clean, and the machine starts and will take 58 minutes. I'll start a new recording when we're done. Washing machine has finished its wash cycle, so now I'm just going to reach in and pull out the suit. The suit now hanging up to dry out of the washing machine. All mould is gone, stitching's in place. There are no obvious tears or threads. It looks good. Looks real good. Most of that creasing should dry out. May require a light press on the lapels and on the sleeves. Other than that, very happy with the result.